forward to a win this year. I think yesterday was our one loss, and we're going to go on from here.
FSU winning.
I think we have the depth this year. I'm looking forward to going to Omaha, finally win one for 11.
National championship. We're big Tyler Holton fans. Go Noles.
I'm excited about Omaha.
We want to go to Omaha.
Absolutely.
Literally, we've had season tickets for 30 years, so we're just looking for another opportunity to go to Omaha.
We're hoping for some hits today.
Lots of hits.
These seats are awesome. So, I mean, exciting season, great team.
All right.
I just hope we win today. That's what we need to do.
This is our opener this afternoon. We don't count last night.
Our grandson, Drew Parrish, he's number 43. He's a freshman this year.
We're so excited to be here because this is its opening season.
Our grandson doing very well. He's a pitcher. William Searso, number 30.
Our brother doing good.
Probably, I'm thinking Omaha. Be a big win.
What brings you out here to the game this weekend? Are y'all regulars?
Ticket holders.
Yeah, we've been coming for like 10 years.
He's gonna be so mad. It's number 5.
Love baseball.
Love baseball. The love of baseball.
Just watching great baseball and having fun.
Well, I like the beer and I like the baseball here at FSU. Opening weekend.
Yeah, fun.
Love Warchant. I'm a subscriber.
I love Florida State baseball and hopefully bring in the W.
Oh, the cold beer and the hot dog.
We do have season tickets, so we'll be out here a lot.
Oh, I just love the excitement, and I really love the animals. We sit near the animals, and if it's not a good game, they just make it happy and fun.
She used to be a cheerleader, and she still acts like one.
Yeah, I do.
It doesn't matter the sport.
That's right. Go Noles, that's all I say.
Oh, we're excited, dude. It's awesome. Yeah, we sit with the animals, dude.
Where you going?